In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share video on Zoom natively. If you've ever tried to play a video during a Zoom meeting and noticed that it looked choppy or the sound didn't come through properly, this built-in Zoom feature is exactly what you need. The good news is that the setup is very simple, and once you know where to click, you can get much smoother playback for everyone in the meeting. Start inside your Zoom meeting. At the bottom of the screen, look for the share button and click it. When you do, a new window will open and Zoom will ask what you want to share. This is where you'll choose the actual source of the video you plan to play. You can select a browser window if your video is playing from a website like YouTube, or you can choose a video player app if you're using something like VLC or another media player on your computer. The most important part here is making sure you select the specific window that contains the video so Zoom focuses on that content. On the left side of the share window, you may also see options related to how your shared screen will be displayed. Before you start sharing, pay close attention to the settings at the bottom of the window. This is the key step that makes native video sharing work properly. Make sure share sound is checked. This allows the audio from your video to be sent directly through Zoom so participants can hear it clearly instead of through your microphone. Then make sure Optimize for video sharing is also checked. This tells Zoom to treat what you're sharing as video content rather than a standard screen share. As a result, playback is usually smoother, motion looks better, and the audio and video stay more in sync. Once both of those options are enabled, go ahead and click Share. After that, return to your browser, window, or video player and press play on your video. That's it. Your video should now be sharing natively through Zoom with the correct sound and better playback quality. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to test this before an important meeting, especially if you're presenting to a group or sharing something with fast motion. That way you can confirm your video source is selected correctly and that both settings are turned on before you begin. And that's how to share video on Zoom natively.